Tesla has so many common problems. Do you still dare to buy it? The model. There are many cooling pipes in the battery pack and water leakage often occurs, causing BMS Joe Stone to be unable to go to the store. If the battery pack is replaced with a new one, the Model S motor will charge hundreds of thousands. Water and wind often damage the motor, and water often enters the motor. It costs tens of thousands to replace it with a new one. It costs several thousand to buy a Tesla. With so many common problems, will you still buy it? Anyway, if I want to have money, I will definitely buy a Tesla.